Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your country in Google Play Store. So it's very easy. Let's get started. Just follow me. First of all, open up your Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, you just have to tap on your profile icon, which is on top right corner. Now you have to tap on payment and subscription, which is third option. Now you have to tap on just payment method, which is first option. After tapping on it, you just have to tap on more payment settings. So it will redirect you to Google Payment Center. Here you have to Here what you have to do, you just have to tap on top left corner of option setting. After tapping on it, you just have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, it will redirect you to a payments profile. So you just have to tap on country. After tapping on it, you just have to tap on create new profile. Now you have to tap on continue. You just have to select any of the country and just have to tap on continue. So here's how you can change your country or location in Google Play Store. That's all for today, guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.